Hi, I'm Rhoda. I'm in the Madein studio, and this is how to use a boning knife. If you're looking to sharpen your butchery skills at home, we highly recommend that you have a boning knife. A boning knife removes skin and bones from meat like poultry, pork, beef, or lamb, cuts through connective tissue and ligaments, and portions meat into smaller cuts. Boning knife has a thin, razor-sharp, semi-flexible blade that's designed to really follow the curvature of bones or get in between joints. When using a boning knife, you want to make long, smooth cuts using the length of the blade. Don't saw back and forth. You can place your index finger on top of the blade, or you can grip it around the handle, whatever feels more comfortable to you. And now I'm going to show you how to use a boning knife to cut up a whole chicken. First thing I'm going to do is make an incision in the skin on either side. And the reason why I'm doing that is to preserve this beautiful skin on the breasts. So I don't want to tear into that when I try to remove the legs. So I'm just going to cut it on both sides. Down. And then when you're deboning something, you really want to let the joints be your guide. So right now I'm looking for the joint that's between the kind of back and the beginning of the thigh. So just want to kind of pop that out of place, and then I can really see where it is. Okay, so now that I've popped that out, I'm really just going to cut straight down. Now I'm going to move on to the wings. Make a little incision over here and a little incision over here. Then I'm just kind of working my way around, and that comes right off. I'm gonna do the other side. Last thing I'm gonna do is remove the breasts. You have your breastbone right here, and then I'm going to cut on either side of it. Just gonna kind of follow the curve of that bone and just kind of pull up my other hand. Okay, there is breast number one. So right now I have 6 pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn this into 8 pieces by separating the thigh from the drumstick. There's a line of fat that separates the thigh and the drumstick here. So I'm really just gonna follow this line of fat with my knife, and I should be able to just cut straight down. That's my drumstick and thigh number 1. This is an 8-piece cut up chicken. I'm gonna show you one other cut of meat that I really like that you usually can't buy at the store, which is a skin-on boneless chicken thigh. I'm just gonna run my knife around this little thigh bone that's in here. And then you can just kind of slide the knife to the back side. You can save that for stock. Then you have a beautiful skin-on boneless chicken thigh. We have a great recipe from Fiore Tedesco for crispy chicken thighs that calls for this cut exactly. Be patient with yourself if you're learning how to use a new knife. A boning knife is a great addition to any knife block, but you may not do everything perfectly the first time. It's probably still going to taste great, so just keep practicing. I'm Rhoda from the Madein studio, and I'll see you next time.